Why do we snore when we sleep? It happens when airflow in the throat is partially blocked during sleep. When you sleep, muscles in your throat relax. Sometimes the airway narrows or vibrates as air tries to pass through. That's the snoring sound. Snoring can happen if you're a bit heavy, sleep on your back, or have a blocked nose. Getting older and the shape of your throat also matter. Snoring can be harmless, but sometimes it signals sleep apnea, a condition where breathing briefly stops. Funny how noisy breathing can be, right? Follow to know more amazing facts about your body.